The next technique we will discuss here is the bottom-up estimation. So in this scenario where it is difficult to estimate using the previous techniques, we use the bottom-up estimation technique. So in the bottom-up estimation technique, we divide the scope objectives into set of milestones, and set of milestones are further divided into set of activities, and set of activities are further divided into set of tasks. Now we do the bottom-up estimation. As you all can see, this is a work breakdown structure and we have discussed it many times. That means task 1, 2 and 3, the amount of time or cost required to complete the task 1, 2 and 3, we need to sum up the duration or cost. It will give us the cost or duration for the activity 1. Now by aggregating or summing up the cost or duration estimates for activity 1 and 2, we will get the cost estimation and the duration for the milestone 1. Likewise, by aggregating cost and duration estimates for milestone 1, 2 and 3 will gives you the duration and the cost estimates for the project scope objectives. So the next technique we will discuss here will be the data analysis, and in data analysis we do two aspects of analysis as a part. So one is the alternate analysis and the other one is the reserve analysis. Alternate analysis is all about revisiting the resources loaded on any activity. For example, in the feature set 1, we have loaded 2 developers of skill level 3. The same thing we can achieve through using one developer of skill level 3 under the developer of skill level 1. Similarly, on the feature set 2, we have loaded 3 developers of skill level 2. The same thing we can achieve through one skill level 3 developer and 2 with skill level 1 developer. For better control of cost, we can rent certain materials or devices, or we can look for outsourcing to control the cost. So all of these alternative analyses we can do as a part of data analysis. Another data analysis is how much contingency reserves and management reserves the management should have. So the contingency reserves are the estimated duration within the schedule baseline which is allocated for identified risks that are accepted, and the management reserves are a specified amount of the project budget withheld for management control purposes and are unforeseen work that is within the scope of the project. So here we need to know that what is contingency reserve. Basically, the amount of money management provides you to mitigate the approved risks. This is called the contingency reserves. Now the management risks are those risks which are unable to identify. That's why management keeps some amount of money to make sure that those situations can be handled easily through these management reserves. So this was all about the tools and techniques for calculating the activity duration and activity cost.